A collaboration that has been waited for my years, guys, is now about to be dropped. Takura feature Gonz. You know, this was all brought to be by Takura, a promoter. You know, there's that YouTube channel known as Takura. So Takura decided to take Gonz and Takura very recent, and they are going to drop a song Ndiringe. In those photos that was the shoot, and the guy notice that's Takura, Takura, and also Gonz.